Hi, I'm Moritz, co-founder and CTO of Holy Technologies, and we are the developer of an additive manufacturing system for industrial-scale composite manufacturing powered by machine learning. The system is designed to be extremely scalable and stands to disrupt lightweight manufacturing by reducing the cost of production by up to 50%, while making the components up to 30% lighter and 100% recyclable. The technology addresses around 80% of the components composite market using carbon, glass or any other fiber, and targets various industries from sport equipment, medical, automotive, maritime, UAVs and aircraft to wind turbine blades. And we are already working with global innovation leaders from the automotive and medical industries. We are looking forward to welcome you at our booth at the JEC World Startup Village and discuss your applications.